What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be playing Farm Sim, like always. I don't know why I always say that, but today we kind of got something big planned. And it's December 2nd already. There is a lot of stuff that you guys haven't seen. I filled that, well, I didn't fill it, but I got a bunch of straw stocked up in that barn for the cows. I bought a brand new tilt deck trailer, which sadly today is going to be the last day I see this cat eye. We're trading her in. So we'll let her warm up, and we gotta go pick up 2 new trucks actually. I sold the old Ford 460 too, so there's a lot of stuff leaving, but hey, this truck has been good to me. Put almost 3,000 hours on it. But sometimes things just gotta go. We're going to pick up 2 new trucks. One I gotta go pick up from someone, and one I've owned it since November 1st, and it's been at a shop. I put $8 grand into it, get a lift on it. I had it tuned up a little bit, some new tires, put a little bit of a dark tint on the window, repainted, new rims, a bunch of new stuff. But when we're there, which we're actually rolling up on it right now, but this is going to be the last I have my cat eye. Ooh, there it is. Oh god, does that truck look good. Okay. But what we're going to have to do is unhook this trailer, go, and this guy apparently wanted this truck. I don't know why, but that is up to him. So, I guess we just bought a Cummins. Well, traded. Come on, he ain't even got toe mirrors flipped out. What the heck? Listen to this thing purr. Yeti cooler and the chain in the back. I bought that, had it ordered to here. Apparently he just decided to set it in the back. This will be the first thing that's ever been hooked up to this ball hitch. Put up that jack. This is a nice tilt deck trailer. And then I got a little surprise for a new farm truck. It's probably not what you guys would expect. But and I also got a surprise in the barn up top of the cow barn when we get back home. I took it out a little bit. Just bought it for like $20K though. But this thing that we're picking up now, I got it for $5 grand. Runs perfect, which that's surprising, but it'll be a big help on the farm. And here it is. First gen 12 valve Cummins with a dump bed. Plow mount on it already. Let's unfold this trailer. This is a nice trailer. It's got hydraulics underneath it right there that I can control from in the cab. I had it specially put in the cab. Here's the new Power Ram 350 Cummins Turbo Diesel. It has some brand new tires. And there's the plow mount. I gotta get a plow for it sometime. It's got a nice sun visor. Nice door handle up top there. Wood sideboards. A nice flasher on top. Wow. We can also take this off and put a salter in the back. It's got a nice ball hitch on it though. That would be nice for this tilt jack trailer we have. Maybe I'll have to have something put in it to run that. I like those antennas on it though. Here, let's get in it and fire it up. Hi. It's a little cold for her. Man, does that 12 valve have good sound to it. I could get a 24 valve swap on it. I'm starting to think about it. This thing's got all-wheel drive. I'm gonna pull that up as much as we can. Man, take a look at this exhaust tip on it though. Wow, is that big? That's a big exhaust tip right there. And let's throw a strap underneath there. Throw a strap back there, and we should be good for the little ways we're going. Fold her back. Oh, whoops. Okay, that's oh, shit. One duals on this one side are hanging over. That's okay. It's a wide truck, though. I love big booties. Oh, yeah. Big truck. Now we just gotta try and back it into this guy's driveway. He has way too small of a driveway for my truck. This guy said this was an old firewood truck, and it was used for that truck is going over the edge. That's just crazy. Okay, we're gonna have to do something with that. Let's go back here and figure what's going on with this. Wow! I think these duals are just way too big for this trailer. I might have to look into getting a big Tex. Now let's put this down, and then we'll go throw on some straps. What? Oh Lord. What is going on with this? Okay, we're gonna have to do a little something. Have this truck. Okay, we're just gonna have to do that back here. Let me hold this up. There's a lot of strips up here. Is that land for sale down there? Oh, we are coming off this hilltop. Now we just gotta drive home, and we'll have to bring out the other surprise. Oh, off the road a little bit. Hopefully that truck is still staying behind me. Sounds like he's back there. Okay, we are home. We'll shut that thing off. Man, does that sound good. And so does this. We are going to take this over to the barn. It's supposed to be on a forecast of snowing tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to get the snowmobile out. Yes, you heard me. Snowmobile. Which that is right here. Blackout. Ah, oh, this thing is nice. 850 RMK Pro. Oh yeah, and we got a 4450 with duals tuned up to 180 horse and a Wilmar. That thing sounds decent. I'm gonna go Ripper for a second. Even though it's not snowing. Oh god. Oh. That was... Oh god, what am I doing? Go rip this field. I shouldn't ruin that track. I'm gonna break this. Oh god. I'm gonna break this snowmobile before it even sees snow. That thing just takes long. That's my problem. It just takes long. Let's just hit her wide open. ruin the skis or the track, so we're just gonna have to wait until it's snowing. Oh my god. I am gonna break this. Jesus! Why does that thing take off? I hate how that thing takes off like that. Okay, that's enough with that toy. I think I'm gonna end the video here. But it was a nice day. We had a lot of stuff. But I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.